I'm all ready and set to head outside today. Akshay's at work, so this was my chance to go outside alone. I won't say chance, but I have to go alone. I don't like going out alone. Okay, it's not my thing at all. I need company all the time. The reason I'm going out is I need to buy a few stuff. First thing is I have to look for a gift for him because his birthday is coming. Okay, I have something in mind. I have had this thing like for quite a long time, but I was not being able to purchase it because in Amazon it was showing the delivery time was too late. I'll try to search in stores here if I get it or not. If I don't get, then I don't have any other option, but I'll have to order it in Amazon. Other thing is after searching for that gift, I'll go to supermarket because I need to buy some ingredients, whatever I need to make. I won't be baking a cake for him. Okay, most probably I'm thinking of making a fudgy brownie. Okay, fudge brownie. So hopefully I'll get whatever is needed today. And yeah, the weather looks good as of now, and I hope it does not rain while I'm out because I don't want to carry an umbrella. So yeah, first I need to make a list because if I'll be recording with my phone, I don't want to keep going to my phone to check the list. I already have the list in my phone, so I'll quickly write it down in a piece of paper and take it along with me. My list is ready and I'm ready to head out to the supermarket. See you there then. Okay, I am back from the mall and supermarket. So first I went to this mall. Sadly, they didn't have that thing. They suggested me another store, and oh my god, that 10 minutes walk from that store to another. It was not inside the mall, so I had to walk, and it's too hot here right now, and unfortunately they didn't have it either, so I had to give up on the gift for now. I'll just show you what I got. I didn't get much stuff, like whatever I could find I just got. So I'll show wax paper which I got this whisker, and I also got the spatula, cocoa powder, wow, vanilla essence, all purpose flour. Okay, so one thing, in Mexico everything is written in Spanish, so whenever we go to shop, it's another task that we have to translate each and everything and check. So this is maida, all purpose flour, and this is called harina de trigo, in Spanish. Next, I got this happy birthday banner. I had not planned to get this one from Walmart, but I saw this and it's his favorite color. So yeah, I got this. And then I got this candle. So in total I got 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 stuff. Where is the bill? Oh, 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, sorry, I got 9 items. Yeah. So this whole thing, okay, it cost me 401 Mexican pesos. 401 I think that'll be around 24 US dollars. Okay, and wait, give me a moment. Okay, I did the calculation and 401 Mexican pesos. So for US dollar, it's about $21, and for Indian rupees, it is around 1790 rupees. So this is all I got today, and I think I'll have to run to the store again tomorrow. Okay, because few things I didn't get. Okay, so that's all. Sorry, I could not show inside of the store much because it was too crowded. I was shy. I thought it's a weekday, there will be less people in the store, but no, it was so crowded. I went to Walmart again because last time I didn't get few stuff. I'd gone to a different Walmart, so today I went to a different one which is very near to our place, and I got the stuff which I needed. I'm going to show you. First of all, I got these flowers. This is so pretty. This is for, so whatever shopping I'm doing, it's for Akshay's birthday. So this is for his birthday. It's very pretty. I got this tiny ball because we didn't have a glass bowl to mix and all. It's very tiny. And of course I got these butter which is without salt, so it's written sin sal. Sal means salt, sin means without. The ones with salt, it will be written con sal. Okay, this is the little Spanish class I'm doing. This is the baking tray which I got, and some tapes because I got the banner. Okay, so to stick the banner we'll need some tapes, and also I got these from a different store. Okay, I got this gift wrapping paper. It's so pretty. This birthday card, it's written Atu ladito todo es más bonito, means I won't say exactly, I don't remember exactly, but it means something like with you everything is very beautiful. Yes, todo means every, yeah. With you, Atu, with you, latido todo es más beautiful. This is so cute, and look at these cute pigs with a heart. Okay, that's all. And about the gift, you remember last time I went to a mall and then I went to another store, I didn't get it. The only option was Amazon. Okay, I checked in Amazon last month itself, but the delivery time, and we didn't have a fixed place. So this house, if you can figure it out, is a different than the previous one because we moved in to a permanent place. We moved in just yesterday. Before that we were in Airbnb. We switched to 2 Airbnbs. Couldn't order from Amazon because we didn't have a fixed place, so I didn't know which address to give, and also the delivery time was just too late. That day when I came back from the mall, okay, I just simply checked. I thought it's okay now, I just have to order from Amazon, and oh my god, when I checked, the delivery date was 1st of August. I was like, oh my god, and 2nd is his birthday, so I got very happy. So yes, hopefully I'll get the gift, and I got this. I'll wrap it. Okay, now I'll relax for some time. It's too hot. I went out, my cheeks got all red. Okay, so I'll rest for some time, and I think I'll quickly start with the baking. When I watched the video, it looked pretty easy, but it'll depend on me, I guess. Yeah, I'll see if I can make it. I want to make it before he comes from office so that at night I have a surprise for him. Hopefully it's possible. I think it shouldn't take more than 2 hours to make. I think 2 hours is also a lot of time. Okay, then see you later. I'll show you guys when I start baking the brownie. I'm all set to start with the baking. Okay, so I have kept everything here, whatever is needed. Okay, so now it's all set to put this inside the oven. As per the recipe I'm following, I need to bake this in 350 Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. So I'm going to do that. And I think by the time this gets ready, Akshay will be back from office, and I also need to clean this mess up so that he does not come to know that I baked something. Okay, so I am so exhausted. I thought I'll bake everything and keep it ready before Akshay comes, but I told you guys that we moved here just yesterday and I could not get the oven started. I tried everything. I googled, I checked in YouTube. Okay, whatever instructions they're giving, I'm following that, but I'm not being able to get this oven started, and it's very much different than what I have used previously, so I'm not being able to start it. I'm so exhausted. I can't use my brain anymore. I'm so tired, so I'm just gonna sit and wait for Akshay to come from office and figure it out, so it won't be a surprise anymore. I'm so hungry. I didn't even make anything for lunch, so I'm gonna eat this now. Okay, look at this bowl. We need to shop a few stuff for our house. For now, I'm gonna eat my noodles in this big bowl. See you later. I'll show you guys. Now I'll directly show you guys after the cake is ready. I'm worried if this oven cannot work, then my whole effort is going to go to waste. I cannot do that, so hopefully it will, Akshay will come and do something about it. Okay, then I'll update you guys later. Finally, the oven is working, the brownie inside. Hopefully it'll turn out good. Okay, so the gift is here. Okay, so I quickly packed it and I'm loving the gift wrap. So I hope you like this gift, and also I hope the brownie turns out good. So now the kheer is ready and the birthday boy is going to do the taste test now. मान खाएगा ज़्यादा एक्टिंग में. पहले काजू के साथ देती हूँ. चीनी कम डाला है मैंने. कैसा बना है?
तो आधा घंटा में पता चलेगा. अच्छा
चीनी
ठीक है. इतना ही होना चाहिए चीनी.
कैसा लग रहा है ग्वादालारा देख के?
हिस्टोरिक.
सॉरी, क्या क्या देखा आज?
फिर बीच में टाको.
ओ गॉड, ये तो बहुत वो हो गया, कंट्रोवर्शियल कंटेंट हो गया.